Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this video we want to divide x raised to the power 3 minus 2x raised to the power 2 minus x plus 2 by x minus 2, and what we are doing is long division. We are doing long division, and what are we going to do? We are going to divide that by x minus 2. So we have x raised to the power 3 minus 2x raised to the power 2 minus x plus 2. So the first thing we do is we divide x raised to the power 3 by this x. All right, so how many x can we see in x raised to the power 3? That will be x raised to the power 2. All right, so we're going to write our x raised to the power 2 here. Then we multiply. We do x raised to the power 2 times x will give us x raised to the power 3. And we also do x raised to the power 2 times minus 2, which will give us minus 2x raised to the power 2. So the next thing we are doing is to subtract. All right, we are going to subtract this from this, also this from this. All right, so we have x raised to the power 3 minus x raised to the power 3. That will give us 0. All right, so this gives us 0. And then also we have minus 2 minus 2. All right, so minus 2. And then you know that if you multiply this minus with this minus, it gives us plus 2. And that will also give us 0. So it means these 2 will give us 0. And then what do? We bring down this minus x and then the plus 2. All right, so we also divide minus x by this x. All right, so the first process, we are going to do it again after we subtracted the result from our dividend. So we have minus x divided by x. What does it give us? It gives minus 1. All right, so we're going to write the minus 1 here. And then what do? We'll multiply this minus 1 by x minus 2. So minus 1 times x will give us minus x. And then minus 1 times minus 2 will give us plus 2. All right, and what do again? We subtract. All right, so let's see how we subtract this. Minus x minus minus x minus x minus x. All right, so this will become plus. We have minus x plus x, and then minus x plus x is 0. So that means this gives us 0. And there also plus 2 minus plus 2. So this is just 2 minus 2. And that also gives us what? It gives us 0. So we don't have any remainder. So it means that x raised to the power 3 minus 2x raised to the power 2 minus x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 will give us what? It will give us x raised to the power 2 minus 1. No remainder. Now, what I want us to do is, I want us to try this and then write our answer in the comment section. So divide 2x raised to the power 3 minus 3x raised to the power 2 minus 2x plus 3 by x minus 1. This is what we should try, and drop our answer in the comment section. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and also like, share this video. Thank you.